ain't started that camera up in a minute, boy. I ain't vlogged in so long, like, shit actually crazy. Just been, you know what I'm saying, focus on me and shit. Focus on what I gotta do, get shit over with. School and everything else, and just really been a damn stressful ass summer, I ain't even gonna lie. But I got shit on the way, bro, for sure. Look at this shit, man. We just got a letter. Bam! This is exactly what I needed for sure. Oh, microphone adapter. What else we got, man? Ooh. What is this? Chat, what this is? Hold on. Yes, sir. Ski got a microphone, man. Got a mic with a fucking. What the fuck is this? I guess a damn sound stabilizer, whatever it's called. Oh shit! Well, I'm being the mic line. We yeah, YouTube. I know I ain't posting about too much, but you know, shit done got serious. Yeah, at the beach right now, vibing. Listen to the waves. Really happy.
Water so blue. So blue.
Just so lovely, like so peaceful out here. Hold up. Got a little ass boat. Just came from Jamaica. Warn y'all. Obama's running next president. I'm vice president. Chat, bro. I don't know what the fuck I got into, but side quest has been activated. I repeat, side quest has been activated. What the fuck? Nah, I ain't doing this. I ain't blow you. Grab the sign?
No, you will get it.
Oh my god. Like, what is going on in chat? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm not doing this shit. Chat, man, we finna do some jam bond shit, like Mission Impossible. I'm scared.
Alright, hook right up just like in your car. And then these headphones to go over your ear, fan on top of your head. There you go.
Yes, ma'am. How you doing? go again. They said they'll open it. I wasn't. I was scared as hell. I like it though. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Ah. Good experience. Appreciate y'all. Oh my God.
We've got a QR code for you if you want to download the video.
Oh.
Those aren't live. Those are just the previews.
Oh.
They're samples.
Yeah. So here's gonna be your guys' video. Just give it 10 or 15 minutes to upload, and then you'll be able to scan that QR code there. It'll show you your guys' preview. They'll be formatted like this, except tailor-made to you guys with them in the video.
Okay.
And then up under that, it'll give you an option if you want to buy it and download it.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate y'all. Might come back again about like 5 o'clock. Get me out of here. That's it. Side quest complete. Side quest complete, chat. Survive. Like when it took off, like it wasn't that bad. But when she started lifting up,
No,
that's when I
wasn't
felt it.
leaning.
Yeah.
Like, lean me back over the fuck.
if y'all out here just living live, bro, side quest is like the best thing. Just keep you going, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't be scared to try new things. Cause I be scared as hell to try new things, sure. But try new things, like that shit just make you more adventurous. Well, I'm doing that. Yeah, that's why I felt the shit. Like, I was like, bro, whoa, hold on.
Look, your mouth still open.
Let's see again.
Let's see, your mouth. Oh my God. What was it, 30?
I see why folk do that crazy ass shit, bro. They be feeling good as fuck doing that shit, like climbing mountains and buildings and shit. Like, what other crazy shit to do? I would not do bungee jumping. I would never do that ever. I'm not even gonna lie to you,
for nobody.
like on some dead ass shit, bro. I would never do that. I don't care if we in China, we in fucking Dubai. I'm not doing that shit.